Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by to see what I am up to. And today I have a new box for the channel, and this is called the Selfie box. And this is the May 2020 box. So this is the very first box I received from them. Very nice box. I was trying to see here. Okay, it's just glued very well. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this open. I'm trying to use my scissors here to help me get this open. The glue is very, very good on this box, so it would never open during shipping, for sure. I don't think I can get it. I'm trying. Wow. This reminds me of like the USPS boxes. Once you get them things closed, they are hard to open again. I got it. Oh, finally. Wow, that was tough. But I'm glad that that's difficult to open. At least we know it's not going to open. Okay. So when I open the box, it has the, just trying not to get all this stuff on the floor. I just around the vacuum here. So this is what I see when I open it. Full of the little black squigglies, and there is a card. Let's see what the card. May 2020. And does it, oh, okay. So it has a card. And on the back, it gives us the items with prices. And a little bit, since it's new to me for Selfie Box, give you a little bit of information. I haven't seen too many videos on Selfie Box. Selfie Box is $25 a month with free shipping. You only get all natural, vegan, or cruelty-free beauty and skincare items. I think we get 4 to 5 unique, luxurious, full-size products with a value of at least $100. And you can buy these boxes individually as long as they still offer them on their site. You know, it's May, you might still be able to buy April and May, and in June you might be able to buy all 3 months, or at least maybe May or June, depending on what they sell out for. And if you want to buy an individual box, they're $30 a month. And I liked on their website, their mission statement is self-empowerment, self-love, self-esteem, and self-care. So that's always very nice to read that and to see that. So I'm going to use the card, and let's try to move some of this stuff out of the way. I'm going to go for the big item and get it, make a little bit of space here. So the first item I see is a foaming face wash from Grace and Stella, and that definitely is a full-size container. Grace and Stella foam face wash, $19. Made with skin-loving ingredients like rose water and aloe vera. It's a gentle foaming cleanser. Won't leave your face feeling tight or dry. Cruelty, fragrance, sulfate, and paraben-free. Oh, and it's vegan, they say. So let's open this up. It does have plastic on it. Let's see if I can get this open. We can at least see what it looks like in the box. My dog is down wandering about. She hears all the crinkling, so she probably thinks something for her. And on the inside says a thank you from when you open the box. Thank you for your purchase. Nice. Oh, that's a big bottle. I like that. Let me see if you can smell the rose. No, you can't smell it, so it might not be too strong. So, okay, I'm excited to try that. Foaming face wash. Why not? Put that there. Then, let me see what this is here. Trying not to make a mess. So this is from New Body, NIU Body, and this is a detox green clay mask. If you guys can see that or not. So that's a nice size box. This is a value of $15. It says Pores Schmores. This brightening face mask deeply cleanses pores, removes blackheads, and fights future damage. Okay. Perfect for oily combo skin types. Only 3 natural ingredients with no parabens, phthalates, sulfates, or other chemicals, and it's cruelty-free. And this does have a seal on it, so let me see if I can open that. I'm cutting myself here. Nice. So it's just your dry green clay that you would, you know, add your liquid to, I would assume. Nice. I like that. I'm not going to open the actual bottle, but I like the packaging and presentation is very nice. Let's see if I can get that back on. Yeah. So that's nice right there. Like that. And I see a product from Luna by Luna, and this is a lip gloss, it looks like. Let me show you right here. Luna by Luna. Where is it on my card? I don't see this on my card. Let me see. Okay, so this is Titania lip gloss, value of $18. Oh, that's nice and sparkly right there. You can see that, like, that's a nice shade. I don't know if I'm going to open this one just because I've been keeping a lot of them, so I might share this. And this has an $18 value, you know, everything full size, so I never say I don't like a lip gloss for sure. Just trying to, oh, there's two more, ooh, whoa, two more items in here still. Just trying to get this out without getting all these little black things all over the place. We have a palette for sure, I see that. And the palette is from Glamier. And this is what it looks like. This is the Island Babe eyeshadow and glitter palette for $49. 24 shades in matte shimmer and glitter. Ultra pigmented, cruelty free, and no glitter glue required. So let's see if I can open this. Glad I kept the scissors out. Let's open this up and see what this looks like. Not bad for $25 getting all this good stuff. Is it sealed? Let's use the scissors to this. That's not going to work. I don't want to destroy the box. Okay, got that. Let's take this out. Okay. Packaging is just like the box. It does have a mirror, and it does have some protection on it. Is there a shield? Yes. So there is, and it's taped. So I'm going to leave it taped. So this is what the palette looks like. Very, very nice. Good for 24 months. Lots of good shades in there. So there is like a protectant on the mirror, and I'm probably going to use that in a future giveaway. I've not been keeping too many palettes because I have so many of them. And let me close this back up and drop the card. I can give you the price of this. Let's get the card back. Okay. So that is $49. I think I might have told you that already. And then the last item that I see in this box, we have some brushes. And they are individually packaged right here. And this is the Dynasty Lavish Complete Complexion Collection, $29. A set of 5 luxurious brushes, certified cruelty-free, vegan, and 100% synthetic. I'm just trying to see if they give you an indicator on there. So these, you know, 2 on the end here are your face brushes. This one here is a face brush, and then you have 2 eye brushes. So that's not a bad set. I'm not going to take them out of the packaging because I will use them in a giveaway. I really don't need that many brushes. So that is everything that's in the selfie box for May 2020. I do think down in the description box there will be I think a $5 off. It's either a code or a link. I'm not sure. That'll be in the description box. So if you're interested in trying this out, you can save $5 off your box. So why not give it a shot? I think this was a great box. We got a palette and some brushes, a lip gloss, a lipstick, I should say. And this right here, definitely worth it. The clay masks, usually they're pretty expensive. I mean, that's $15. That's not a bad price at all for that. And this, the Grace and Stella, $19. Palettes, $49. So, I mean, you're definitely getting your value. I will add up all these prices, and it will be on the screen when I take a photo of the product, so we'll know what the total value is. $25, I think this is a bargain, and I'm excited to see what June brings. So that is the very first selfie box for this channel. and you will see future boxes. Definitely. I'm excited for that. So go check them out. I'll leave their website link down below, and then the discount of $5 down below. So if you are interested, make sure you use that. Save yourself $5. I love saving. I don't care if it's $5, 5%. Save something, even if, and this is free shipping, so you're not even going to save $5 and it takes away the shipping. So, you know, to get it for $20, your first box, why not? They are on Instagram and Facebook as Selfie Box, so that's good to know. So that is the video for today. Thanks for joining me for another unboxing, and I hope everyone's doing well. And as always, I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.